Peace and blessings, family. I want to invite you to come and join my father and myself in Atlanta, Georgia, January 18, 2025. And we're going to show you how to kickstart the year in buying your first, second, or third income producing properties. The one thing I love about mobile homes is you can buy low, but then sell high. I want you to come and shadow me so you can learn the ins and outs of the mobile home business. How we get these properties, how we inspect these properties, how we hire the right people to renovate the mobile homes. Then I'm going to take you to the stores to show you how we shop for the materials. You're going to learn everything that you need right here at our shadow event. And guess what? I've already discounted your ticket. All you have to do is just pay and show up. Take care, be blessed by the best, and I will see you, family, in January.